Hello everyone, welcome back to episode
7 of Heart to Heart Conversations with Simlish.
The people who follow me on Instagram know that I have got this book, which is The Greatest Secret. But one thing, it is more related to spirituality. I haven't read it fully, but it is more about spirituality. You get to know that you're not your body or your mind, you are the soul which travels from one world to the another. So I am reading it, but today we are going to talk about our experiences related to manifestation because we have been talking about it for quite a while now. But first things first.
There are still many people who don't know about the exact meaning of manifestation, like what we are trying to explain you or what we are trying to say. So let me explain you in simpler words today. Before explaining you all that what manifestation is, I need to tell you what is not manifestation. First of all, manifestation is not a magic. Some people think that meditation is manifestation, but it is not. Like, it is a total different concept. So basically becoming greedy about things and just asking for things bluntly कि मेरे को ये मिल जाए, मेरे को वो मिल जाए, that is not manifestation. Also, meditation is not manifestation. Simple. So you understood कि manifestation क्या नहीं है. Let's understand that manifestation है क्या. Basically, manifestation is that you attract what you think and speak. For example, sometimes what we do is we just prefer not to go to a fine dining. Instead, we just go to like dhaba or something, normal restaurant. We just basically do cost cutting, all right? But cost cutting is totally okay. But the thinking which says यार आज मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, यार कल मेरे पास पैसे नहीं होंगे तो क्या करूँगा? But gratitude is the most important thing. You heard in the previous video that gratitude means कि जो आपके पास है उससे खुश रहो. Going straight away to a ढाबा कि हाँ cost cutting करते हैं, like today is no occasion or today is nothing special, I just need to have some food, alright? You can normally go to a ढाबा, we also do, but we don't think कि हम fine dining पे नहीं जाते. We enjoy what we have, we enjoy what we can afford. So एक चीज जो मेरे साथ हुई है कि यूनिवर्स जो है वो नहीं वर्ड को, like नेगेटिव वर्ड को, जैसे कि नहीं, वो बहुत जल्दी अट्रैक्ट करता है. आप अपने आप को ये फील कराते हो कि लाइक हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं, आगे नहीं होंगे, rather than just thinking in your mind कि कॉस्ट कटिंग है so that we can invest in good things, वो पैसा, and we can grow and eventually we can like get that fine dining.
There have been people for whom manifestation has worked and many of them for whom it hasn't.
We are still working and experimenting on manifestation, that how it works, if it works or not, or these sort of things. There can be many reasons due to which manifestation doesn't work for people. Some of them can be like, suppose I just say that I want to become rich, all right? But I don't like do anything for that. Like most of the times we don't specify that what we want. Supposedly I say that I want to become rich, but I don't like say, or I don't think in my mind that by the end of this month or by the end of this particular year or this particular date, I want to earn this much money by doing this. So you need to be specific with your goals, what you need to do. You need to plan, you need to have a clarity.
It's pretty easy to get influenced by the negative experiences, but now let's talk about the people for whom manifestation has worked in a good way. Firstly, I would talk about one of my acquaintances. The identity is anonymous, but let's talk about the situation. She has been stuck in a really pathetic environment for a long time, and she had accepted whatever she was surrounded with, right? She thought that she won't be able to change anything, but then एक चीज जो मैंने सीखी है, it's भगवान भी उनकी मदद करता है जो खुद की मदद करते हैं. Same happens with manifestation, right? अगर आप खुद की मदद नहीं करोगे इज इक्वल टू, अगर आप पॉजिटिव नहीं सोचोगे भगवान भी आपकी मदद नहीं करेगा, आपके अराउंड की सिचुएशंस चेंज नहीं होंगी, राइट? सो शी वॉच्ड माय वीडियोस एंड शी स्टार्टेड टू इम्प्लीमेंट सर्टेन पॉजिटिव थॉट्स इन हर लाइफ एंड द सिचुएशंस अराउंड हर चेंज्ड एंड शी वाज क्वाइट astonished. I also felt stunned because of the tiny impact that I was able to make in her life. Now let's talk about one of my closest friends. So he has got an RC truck, which is a remote control car or a truck you can say. So now here, let's talk about a bit of details. He wanted to buy an expensive one, but it cost him a fortune. So he got the base model of the truck that he wanted. But लेट्स लुक एट द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ इट. उसको वो नहीं मिला जो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव वाला था, जो उसको चाहिए था, बट एटलीस्ट मैनिफेस्टेशन वर्क फॉर हिम एंड ही गॉट द बेस मॉडल. एटलीस्ट ही कैन प्ले विद इट नाउ एंड लेट मी ऐड अ क्लिप फॉर यू हियर. Yeah, so this is what he wanted and he got it. Now let's talk about another student. I helped her prepare for the IELTS exam. She was a student at Simlish. She says that she manifested studying in Australia and right now she is sitting there. It was an arduous task earlier, but then she got through after all the hurdles. Now let's talk about another example. It's about one of the students who's preparing for IELTS exam right now. And she watched my video last Saturday. She manifested something which got fulfilled on Monday, like literally within 2 days, and she had been waiting for that thing for 1 or 1.5 months. Another person messaged me on Instagram and he said that he got to work with a renowned corporate firm and he gained experience, what he wanted. If I talk about myself, I have also gained numerous benefits out of it. Earlier, I would say that negative emotions or thoughts would sometimes overpower me, but now I have gained consciousness. I know how to tackle the situations around me because what I have realized is that the situations or whatever your environment you are surrounded with remains the same. The only change that you experience is how you tackle those situations, right? So even if I have a pathetic day, I start off with a pathetic day or maybe a bad experience, but now I know how to make the most out of the rest of the day, you know. So what the secret has taught me that we have the power to control our mind. Earlier I thought that situations में ज़्यादा power होती है to control me, but now I know that I have more power to control the situations. I won't let the situations control my mood, right? So that is 100% true that जो आपके subconscious mind को भी control करने की power आपके conscious mind में है. Just like I mentioned that भगवान भी उनकी मदद करते हैं जो खुद की मदद करना जानते हैं. We have another example.
जैसे कि शाहरुख खान ने भी कहा था, ये जिस चीज को तुम शिद्दत से चाहो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने में लग जाती है. ये समझ में आई? Basically, you attract. You just listen to this. Just listen to this. You attract what you think, knowingly or unknowingly.
Lastly, let me talk about my personal point of view related to manifestation. I'm not giving you the final verdict, but it is my experience as of now. Making YouTube videos has been on my to-do list for quite a while now. It's been many months that I have been planning to start YouTube videos, but a month or two ago, I finally decided. I wrote on a piece of paper that I am going to be consistent in making YouTube videos, and this is my 7th video. Like honestly, if I am shooting the 7th video in a span of 2 months, I have shot 1 video per week. Manifestation exists. Like just like Kapil Sharma, I am not done yet too. I am on to reading this book, The Greatest Secret, as well as I am on to the journey of experiencing manifestation, affirmations, gratitude. I will be sharing more about it in the coming videos.
And guys, let me grab my mic. Wait. ये तो आपको बताएगी नहीं, but we are planning एंड वी हैव मच मोर टॉपिक्स, और बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स हैं. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर इट. सो गलती से भी ये चीजें मिस मत कर देना, एंड जस्ट सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल.
Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. And please just subscribe to our channel, क्योंकि उससे हमें बहुत हौसला मिल रहा है. So just subscribe. That's it.